Okay, so you were expecting, based on what I said in other videos, a a video about what the ESP digital setting circles look like on the telescope. And here's the telescope with the setting circles on it. The altitude sensor is in behind there, and the azimuth sensor is down in there, which you can't really see because it's too dark. But I'll take the OTA off and you'll be able to see it much better. So there's the altitude sensor. It reads a magnet that is positioned right there on the altitude bearing, and as the altitude rotates, it rotates in front of the sensor right there. Oh man, focus. There we go. As far as the other axis is concerned, the azimuth, we've got it right there. I'll have some stills in my Instructable about how the base is constructed, but basically you have your position sensor mounted over top of a magnet that is mounted inside of the center of a bolt that is affixed through the base of your unit. And you also have your ESP8266 with a little bit of a power supply, reset button. I really need to put a power switch on this thing too, because just plugging and unplugging the battery, that just makes no sense. I don't know what I'm thinking, but anyways, it's all testing at this point, prototype, as they say. Thanks for watching.